Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Hyundai's plan to launch 42 new cars could be a game changer for the company in light of the U.S. tariffs. You know, as we've been following this story closely at Electro-Drive News, it seems Hyundai is taking a proactive approach to mitigate the impact of these tariffs on its business. Now, according to reports, Hyundai plans to produce over 40 new cars by 2026, with some models already in production. These new car models will include hybrid and electric vehicles, as well as conventional gasoline-powered cars. The company aims to cater to both domestic and international markets. Interestingly, the launch of these new cars comes at a time when Hyundai is seeing increased demand for SUVs and other types of electric vehicles. The company's sales figures have been impressive in recent years, with record numbers reported for 2024. In order to produce these new cars, Hyundai needs significant investments. According to reports, the company has allocated substantial funds to invest in its manufacturing facilities and production capacity. This investment will also help Hyundai expand its global presence and stay competitive in a rapidly changing automotive market. But what about the impact of U.S. tariffs on Hyundai's business? Well, at Electro-Drive News, we've been covering this story closely. The tariffs imposed by the Trump administration have indeed had an impact on Hyundai's sales figures. However, with these new plans to launch 42 cars, Hyundai is signaling that it's committed to adapting to changing market conditions. Overall, Hyundai's plan to produce more cars and expand its product offerings looks like a bold move to address the challenges posed by U.S. tariffs. We'll be keeping a close eye on this story at Electro-Drive News, as we explore how this strategy will play out in the coming months and years.